Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Instagram Reels not working. So first of all, what you have to do is head over to your Play Store, then search for Instagram. At times when your application is not updated, it might show you some errors. So make sure that you see open instead of update. If you see update, select update and update your app. Next, check your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is slower, the Reels might not load, or if you are trying to upload a Reel, that could not happen. So make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Lastly, head over to your settings and go for apps. In here, you're going to have to search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram, scroll all the way below, and then select storage. In here, you're going to have to clear the cache. So select clear cache. Lastly, select force stop, then select OK. Now, restart your device, launch your Instagram, and it will definitely fix your problem. Thank you all for watching, guys. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.